We're going to explore the Jaycos here at the Florida RV Super Show. I'm Lynn.
And I'm Danny.
Welcome to RV America.
The original RV America.
As most of you know, we have a Jayco Precept 34B. And it's always fun to go out and look at the newer models when you're at a show to see what's changed.
So as you know, I drive most of the time, probably about 90% of the time. And one thing that our rig has that I do not like is it has the monitor down here. Look what they've done. This is much better. You could actually see this and use it. So this is a much, much needed improvement on this model. What you doing, Danny?
So, we have the L-shaped couch. We'll show you a picture of that. But I've always kind of wanted to have some theater chairs, maybe to watch the TV. And I really like having something like this. That's one of the things that we had on our list to get, but we couldn't get it in our 34B.
But we do love the L-shaped couch because we can sit like 4 couples on the couch and watch movies.
It does slide out to, as you have the slide out, you can move that out a little bit, and I'll show you a picture of it. So So where we have a fireplace, which we really love and use on a regular basis, this has a teleprompter. I think I'm saying it right, but the TV that rises up. So in ways you like that, but in ways we love our fireplace. The bedrooms are similar in size and similar in shape, maybe a little bit more storage right there. We did take ours and put a washer and dryer in this cabinet, so you can probably still do that in this cabinet. So if we were going to downsize, this one's about 4 or 5 feet shorter than ours. Let's see, it's a 33, ours 30, almost 37, so 4 feet shorter. It really has a lot of space opened up here, but let's go show you some more precepts.
For the 2026 Jayco Precept lineup, there are 8 distinctive floor plans.
Right.
Keep going.
So now I'm in the Precept 34G, not to be confused with RB, but this is the closest in size. And first, as you walk in, you can tell, as Lynn pointed out in the other rig, the monitor right there is in such a better place. The chairs look so comfortable. This one has the dual, whereas ours does not have this. This is something I wanted, theater seating in our rig, but it's one of the things we just couldn't find in the Precept 34B. So the one that was on the lot that we were looking at, they didn't have this model. It also has the small sofa that kicks out that you can put a child on, and then the table. So it has a lot more room right through here. It does have the fireplace that we love. It's a little bit different where we can sit across from the fireplace and really feel the heat there. And the kitchen is similar, maybe a little bit shorter space, but deeper space that you maybe put some equipment behind it. The refrigerators have been upgraded. We do have opposing bathroom and shower across the hall from each other, which we like, but this looks good too. This has a little bit less storage than ours. We can probably put the washer and dryer here. And I've never really fully understood this space, because a lot of wasted space in the last 31 UL had cabinets all the way up. So I don't know if you can get cabinets, but it definitely would give you a lot more drawers there. You do have longer cabinets, which, unless you have a dress, you're really going to have some wasted space there. You could pack some shoes down there in boxes.
With the Precept, there are 2 main model series, the Standard Precept and the Luxury Precept Prestige.
Now we're going to look at the 36C, which is longer than ours. The Precept is not on the front of this. That's one thing that I didn't like on ours. I want to show you back here. Looks like they're making some improvements on the painting, and where ours you could basically fill, and sometimes it would peel right here. This is decaled on or painted on, so that looks a lot better. I like how that is. So it does have a bath and a half. If you're traveling with family and need 2 bathrooms, this half gives you space to use if somebody's in the shower, but with drawers, cabinet space. There again, this space right here I feel like it's wasted. It's nice to have a window there, but I'd much rather have some drawers right there. A lot of cabinet space. Your shirts are going to come down to here, so you might have to store some things there, but that's another place that can have drawers. There's the ladder to the bed. Those are different. I like that. Easier to store than the one we have, so that's an improvement. And I would assume you could take one of these out and put a washer and dryer in, or maybe the one in the bathroom. This does have the king bed, similar to ours. It's an RV king, so not quite as long, but it is wide, and sleeps Lynn and I and our dog. So here's the full bath. So you can tell where it's got the extra couple of feet than ours. So we really love having the opportunity to see how our rig has changed. Have you ever gone around and looked at what your rig is and maybe checked how it's changed over the year? We did not get to see the 34B, but we're hoping to maybe find that somewhere else in the future. But as Lynn said, they've really gone into the opposable slides. It gives you a lot of room out in the middle. And I know ours does not have opposable slides, but a lot of them did in 21. And any thoughts on?
Well, I will say we didn't find anything that we liked better than the one we're currently in, which is our favorite of all of them. So I guess we just won't trade.
We do love the monitor being where it is, and
they've made some improvements over ours.
There are definitely some improvements, but we love our layout in the 34B. So, but I really wanted to see some of these precepts.
Until next time, God bless and many safe travels.
And go RV America.